This is your dear students, this is your max teacher, 11th standard business max exercise 2.4. It's a combination exercise. Your first question: if NPR equal to 1680 and NCR equal to 70, find N and R. We know that your NCR can be rewritten as NPR by R factorial. So it is given in the question NPR and NCR. So your R factorial is nothing but 1680 by 70. It is nothing but 24. So your R is nothing but 4. Your 4 factorial equal to 24. And next one, verify that 8C4 plus 8C3 equal to 9C4, right? This is the equation. You have to check whether it is true or false. Our formula, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. So where you have these formulas in the textbook, it is given in terms of properties of combination. We have the properties and even the proof also you have, but that is beyond your textbook. So it is given LCM, LHS is 8C4 plus 8C3. That is nothing but N value 8, R value 4. N value 8, R value R minus 1 equal to 3. That is equal to N plus 1 CR. That is our formula. N plus 1 CR. That is 9C4. Right. So that is equal to your RHS. Hence we completed the proof. Okay. Now the third question. How many cards can be drawn through 2 points on a circle? We have to find how many cards. Cards is a line. This line is called card. Joining any 2 points of a circle. The greatest chord of the circle is diameter. So for chord we need 2 points. The number of cards can be drawn through 21 points is nothing but selecting 2 points out of 21. So 21 points you have to select 2. That will be 21C2. Number of ways is equal to 21C2. The values are given. So your final answer is 210. So here it is nothing is given whether it is in permutation or combination. So you see how many cards can be drawn through 2 points on a circle. Right? Now the fourth question. How many triangles can be formed by joining the vertices of a hexagon? The vertices of a hexagon. Hexagon you should know the sides, that is 6 sides. Triangle you have 3 sides. Therefore the number of triangles formed by the 3 points equal to 6C3 ways. 6C3 you know the formula and final answer is 20. And your fifth question, out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? Out of 7 consonants, right? Out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? You have to frame a word with the 3 consonants and 2 vowels. So 3 consonants we have to select from 7 and 2 vowels from 4. So can be chosen in 7C3 into 4C2 ways. So 3 consonant and 2 vowels, that is nothing but 5 letters. That 5 letters itself can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. First this is for selection and here it is permutation. Okay, arrangement is nothing but permutation. Selection is nothing but combination. Therefore the required number of words equal to 7C3 into 4C2 into 5 factorial. Why this 5 factorial? The arrangement of the letters. So the values formula it is given, the answer you have to find, right? And question number 6. If 4 dice are rolled, right, find the number of possible outcomes in which at least one die shows 2. So you have 4 ties. 4 ties means you have 4 sides. 2, 2, 2, 2. That is 4 twos you have. The question at least means minimum. At most means maximum. So at least 1, 2. It can be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or yeah. So it is maximum 4 because we are rolling 4 dice. So the dice is 4, number we need 2. So 4 dice is rolled out. Therefore the number of outcomes is nothing but 6 power 4. 36 into 36. And number of possible outcomes in which 2 does not appear on any die. So the chance for no 2 is 5 power 4. Here it is 6 power 4 because you have 6 numbers. Here why it is 5 power 4? We are cancelling 2. We are neglecting 2. So the answer is 5 power 4. Therefore the number of possible outcomes in which at least one die shows is number of possible outcomes minus number of possible outcomes in which 2 does not appear in any dice. So you have the calculator, you can find the answer. Now there are 18 guests at a dinner party. We have to sit 9 guests on either side of a long table. The 3 particular persons decides to sit on one side A, okay, one side, and other 2s on the other side. It's like here one guest, okay, this is side one side and this is another side. So here 3 and here 2, that is given here. 3 particular persons decide to sit on one side. So here is 3 guests and 2 others on the other side. Here 2 sides, here 2 guests. In how many ways can the guest to be seated? So I have given you 3 and 2. So remaining you have to frame with 13. But one side you can sit only 9. So already 3 seated inside here, remaining 6. And B side only 2, so remaining 7. The 9-person, totally one side is 9-person on either side of the table can be arranged among themselves in 9 factorial ways. Therefore, for selecting 6 guests for side A, the chances are 13C6. So once you selected the both sides particular guest, remaining you have 13 number. The 13 number we are selecting 6. Like that, the side B you have 7C7. The number of arrangements equal to, or number of selections equal to 13C6 into 7C7 into 9 factorial into 9 factorial. Side A and side B. So the answer you find out. If a polygon has 44 diagonals, find the number of its sides. Number of diagonals is 44. The number of sides be n. Your formula for finding number of diagonals is nc2 minus n. So that is 44 equal to n factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial minus n. Therefore your values are, I have written n factorial. N factorial can be rewritten as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial minus n equal to 44. So n minus 2 factorial cancel. You will be getting finally n square minus n minus 2n equal to 88. This n square minus 3n minus 88 equal to 0. Your n can take values 11, minus 8. But n is a number, it cannot be negative. So your n is nothing but 11. So thank you students. So as soon as possible you complete your classwork.